Hello, my name is Richard Demico, and today we're going to be talking briefly about Donald Trump's comment, specifically regarding the Mexican immigration issue as well as the illegal immigration issue as a whole. There's a lot of controversy surrounding it because, depending on your perspective, what he said has come across as either very disrespectful or somehow heinous and insane. To be clear to the point, he did say that Mexico is not sending their finest, they are sending their trouble, and their problems are coming with them. Now, this is not entirely a true statement just because Mexico isn't necessarily sending anybody, but looking into it, it's quite obvious he wasn't referring to the Mexican government, he's just referring to Mexico in general, as that is where the majority of the issue lies. That's where the majority of the illegal immigrants are coming from. Now, while it is true there are some countries into the Latin and South American area that are sending illegals into the country, it is not necessarily true for Mexico. To be clear, what Donald Trump did say is that he assumes that some are good people. However, that is a very kind assumption on the basis that they are committing a crime by infiltrating our country illegally. It is an offense to our nation, it is an affront to our nation, and it is a burden to our nation no matter which way you twist and turn it. An illegal immigrant, even if they are not criminals and necessarily in the sense that they're committing crimes after they come here, apart from being an illegal alien, they are, however, burdening our system of welfare, burdening our education system. There are some states which make leaps and bounds, such as California, to allow driver's licenses for illegal immigrants. However, it is not something our country should be doing. They should not have a say if they are not a legal citizen. Border security does need to be ramped up in a fashion so fast that we can just stop this problem as soon as possible. This basically frees up a lot of financial burden that we can use for more constructive parts of our government. Whether that be through a fence, increased border security, what have you, Donald Trump is speaking the truth when he makes his statement. We do need to get this problem resolved, and this has been an issue that has been on the back burner for quite some time. As far as the specifics of his statement, there are separate issues in and of themselves, which we may go into at some time in the future, but this is just briefly to cover a little bit about what he had said during his speech. My name is Richard Demico. Thank you for listening.